So we're here in downtown Linn Creek, Missouri, and I want to show you this amazing opportunity. So we have this building for sale, which was built in 1932, and as you can see by the brick, this was one of the original taverns. So this opportunity has a building here. It actually could be historic, being built in 1932, that has been completely renovated by the current owner. Come on in. This is the original photo of the building. It was known as the Green Lantern Cafe back in 1932, and you can kind of see what Linn Creek used to look like. All of this brick has been hand-tucked. You can see the details inside the windows, and as you see it right now is how the owner is wanting to sell the property. Ready to open for a complete bar and grill. You've got the seating with the bar. The equipment all conveys. This patio area is fantastic. As you can see, you have half of this concreted. You have this area for additional seating. You could imagine cornhole games, horseshoes. You can have outdoor entertainment over here. You've already got the sunshades put up, and then also the speakers for live music if you'd like. So inside here, you're gonna see a state-of-the-art kitchen area here. Here in Linn Creek, we have city sewer, city water. He's already got your grease station here in place. You have the proper electric that you need to run this restaurant. You have this for where your dumpster area is, and you have plenty of off-street parking for occupancy up to 99 people. For more information on this amazing opportunity here in Linn Creek, Missouri, which is only minutes from Camington and Osage Beach, please call Krantz & Associates, REMAX Lake of the Ozarks, 573-302-2355.